Shivayule. Myself, my name is John, and this is my brother Bela, and he is from Mizoram, and I am from Kolkata. So he always sing Bengali songs so well, Hindi songs so well. So I also, it's my dream that I also want to try this Mizo song. So today we have mixed Mizo and Bengali, and we have tried to renovate a good song. So I'm sorry, I'm really sorry to all my Mizo friends because I don't know Mizo properly, so my pronunciation will be very bad. But please forgive me. I want to sing this for the glory of God. Right? Let's start. যিশু আমার পাপের জন্য ক্রুশে নিজের প্রাণ দিলে আমরা পাপী তারই সন্তান ছিলাম আছি আজি পাপ ফেলেছে দূরে পবিত্র করেছে আমার সূচি হয়েছি পুরো sa amoy cần biết lặng ngầm giống giống cô cả xứ lép tình dòng kỳ nhà rua dòng các hôm mà sẽ đi nhà chú đến làm bên trên đôi khi đúng đã ai cũng lại đừng ngặt tiếng dòng Negro sole pazona Ruapo campo te Mase hidose Itla osai Mase hidijala Churin lang entrin tuka Kinna ay kulay King, sole la onselo. Dusa maya, tampo de masila. Ay, montilo, vista me silo. Ella, chule la mente tu. True.